time for me to show you what our house looks like before we actually redo it. Right? Okay. Never updated this good old YouTube channel that we put in a sliding door right here in our dining room. And this is what our dining room currently looks like. So we put this door in, I think it was last year. We got our tree taken down in the backyard. This door is the best because of our dog. This is our bedroom in here and our living room right here. This is the current state of this room. We are gonna put stairs right here that lead upstairs to a new level. These walls will be taken out. So exciting. This will be taken out. The kitchen will be totally renovated, like gutted, redone, everything redone. Our kitchen's gonna expand. We're gonna push it out and connect it to a brand new garage, which will be right there. And this will be taken out. No more door here. Goodbye, door. There'll also be a mudroom past this section or out there. And then this is our current bathroom. Cool. And this is our current office, which is kind of messy. This will stay.
We are I'm cutting the concrete. We're cutting concrete today to save this portion of the driveway. This saw, this is a concrete saw that I borrowed from my friend Tony. Shout out to Tony.
Thanks, Tony.
That's what we're doing today.
What you doing?
Hmm?
What you doing?
I'm looking up concrete dumpsters.
So cool.
So cool. Yeah.
So the evenings of our days have been planning out pricing and figuring out rentals of equipment for our house. And I haven't really been doing much. It's all Josh. We are on our way to go pick up the jackhammer because Josh is breaking ground on our driveway today. Finally! He's gonna start breaking up all the concrete on the driveway and the front steps, and it's a big project and it's starting.
Hey.
What do you think?
Not a lot.
You don't think a lot? All right. This is perfect because then we can still park a car.
Yeah, good call,
Or maybe
John.
2 cars in here.
I'm glad.
Or maybe not. Crazy. broke the door, didn't you? Good. I hear glass shattering everywhere.
That's okay.
So we're tearing up the driveway
We are.
with this cool machine.
Yep. And we're loading it into concrete dumpsters.
Yep.
They're on dumpster 2.
It's crumbling away.
It is.
So we've been manually shoving some of these pieces of concrete into the
Bucket.
bucket.
I'm not good at a good enough operator to scoop without getting a bunch of dirt.
Yeah, we don't want to put dirt in the...
Can't put dirt in the dumpster.
Good job.
Thanks.
He started digging the first section of like trench for the foundation of the new garage. Look at him go. Just hanging out down here. Crazy. Currently what the front of our house looks like. Oh my gosh. And this is the only way in. It's really so funny. But you're so cute! Are you so cute?